worst part about this is we're 2 hours behind. So right now it's 5:45. Well, my classes are at 8:55, which means I'm going to have to start classes at 6:55. We have like an hour to kill. The fact that no one is awake right now. Oh my gosh. Yesterday, the second I got here, my aunt and I went to Safeway and picked out some food because I need almond milk. I'll show you what I picked out. Also, this is Kona, my grandma's cat. So I picked out all these like coconut milk and almond milk yogurts. These are both for me because I go through almond milk like there's no tomorrow. Got a bunch of fruit, deli meat. I'm gonna have this raspberry coconut milk yogurt and put some granola in it. Also, we have some donut holes. I think I'm gonna have a couple of these. Okay. Let's sit down. It's like so dark right now because nobody's awake. This is the house that my dad grew up in and all of his siblings. For me, this is so special being here because I feel so attached to this house, even though like a house is just a house. Home is whatever you make it. But I am so attached to this place and I cannot even, I hate thinking about the fact that one day like I'm not gonna be able to stay here or visit here anymore because there's just so much history. And I grew up here as well. This is like the breakfast little kitchen nook. I remember whenever I was younger, all of the family would eat in the dining room, like right out there, and eat like the really nice dinners or whatever. And I just remember like vividly one day eating a Kit Kat, like a bar of a Kit Kat, and just watching like Dora on this TV. And I was literally so happy because I'm pretty sure it was like my birthday or something. And I was like, man, this is the best birthday ever. Right now I'm in marine biology. This is my first period of the day and I only had to be on Zoom for like 10 minutes because they're doing a lab, and so I'm doing a lab at home. But the lab is to create a video, which is like my favorite thing to do. I love projects like that because I do this as a living for my job and all that. And so yeah, I just finished editing this whole project. It's about deal vertical migration and I'm gonna submit it right now. Really happy that we didn't have anything like hard to do today because this is easy money.
Look up at the sky, ask it why are you all so afraid?
You guys, I am all done with classes until 3 hours. Like I have a 3-hour off period. Right now I actually look homeless, which isn't a bad thing. You know, homeless people are cool, but that's not what I'm trying to go for. So because it's early enough, it's like 10 o'clock right now, I'm gonna go take a shower, make myself feel better, and probably get out of this outfit. But anyways, the sun is kind of coming up. It's supposed to come up a lot later, but it's so early right now. This is my grandpa's old office, by the way. Love this room so much because it makes me feel really happy. I never got to meet him, but I heard he was amazing. So I just showered and put on this outfit. I've got this blue top on from Brandy. It's like a really nice little design. And then I have on this white, I don't even know what this is called, like a little jacket thing. And then my high-waisted jeans from PacSun. I'm wearing this because it's pretty cold right now since it's still early, but I'm gonna go see what my Nana is doing. That's if you want to find directions somewhere.
So if I put in Civic Center.
Everything is so much brighter now. I'm gonna make a sandwich though for lunch because I have about an hour until my next class and I'm very hungry because I woke up really early.
Did you find what you want?
Oh, that might be nice for breakfast one day.
Yeah, very.
It's so cold.
Jennifer brought these. They're called morning buns. They're really good, and you microwave it.
I don't know. I object, Your Honor. But ask that the last question be stricken from the records. It is merely an attempt to influence this intelligent.
It's our Canadian.
business deal you ever made.
Thank you, Claude. That's what I needed. How you do, Mr. Wood? I hope I'm not interrupting anything.
You too. Guys, I am done. I'm so done for the day. Also, ow, what the? I literally got a 50 on a assignment. It's fine, it's whatever. Actually, it's not fine because I just have a feeling that this person doesn't like me. But anyways, okay, the sun literally came out. It's so sunny right now. I think I'm gonna go take a walk or something downtown Mill Valley because it's beautiful. Time check, it is 1:54. My aunt wanted to go shopping later today, so we're probably gonna go shopping. I might actually take a little nap first. My sleep schedule has been all over the place since we've been flying to like 4 different states in the past 2 days. So I'm on like all these time zones right now and didn't get that much sleep because I had to wake up so early to match my classes in Texas. Also, I've been so stressed. Hold on, let me put this here. I just want to say that despite like having so much fun and being so blessed to be able to come here right now, I want to be honest with you guys, and I'm not gonna lie, it's been really difficult, especially with like my school and stuff, because it's not like my public school where I could do like whatever I wanted, and I don't really know what's gonna happen when I get back. But yeah, I've just been really stressed, and this trip was last minute and I just tagged along with my aunt. Got to visit my grandma, who I haven't seen in a while, and she's been like hospitalized because she has like her heart like skips too fast sometimes, and so I'm just trying to spend as much time as I can with her. And yeah, so I'm glad I can do distance learning and still be able to get my schoolwork done, but it's definitely hard when you're not in person. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's not the same.
Everything is wrong, even though I do the right things. I feel so alone, always staring at my phone. My friends are pretty cool, and my mama says she loves me. Every day's the same, I'm the one to blame. I'm the oldest teenager I know, the oldest 17-year-old. She thinks she'll make it on her own. Don't tell her where to
E tudo vai ficar bem.
Okay, so I'm done with my workout. It was very much needed with all the traveling I've been doing. Haven't gotten to do as much as I wanted to. Are you back? Yay! My aunt just picked up our dinner tonight. What's the name of it again?
La Ginestra,
La Ginestra is what we got.
the best Italian food ever.
The best Italian food. Basically, after I worked out, I walked to downtown Mill Valley and called Maddie, and we FaceTimed. So that was good because I like wanted to catch up with her and stuff. And then I came back. Brandon, my cousin, played guitar for us, and then Nana played her piano. Oh, yay! This looks so good. And then Brandon and I hung out upstairs before he left. Yeah, now we're having some dinner. I'll show you guys what I got. So I got a Caesar salad and a chicken parmesan. Oh my word. This looks so good. Oh, maybe I should not have gotten both of these.
That looks amazing.
It does. You guys, look at this. Holy smokes.
What do you have, sweetheart?
A Caesar salad and chicken parmesan.
Oh, look at the greens too.
Is that spinach?
Lovely.
Or
I think it's chard. Swiss chard. You know, and who? Is it Luciana? Oh, Lucia. Lucia. It's the sister, Lucia.
so good. What's up, guys? It's nighttime now, and I'm going to finish the night off by doing my homework that's due tomorrow. So let's do that really quick. I already read my chapter that I need to read for Mere Christianity for my leadership class. But I haven't done my history homework yet, and I haven't done my Spanish either. Okay, this is gonna be fine.